Dear student, good morning. I am teacher Javier Garzón, and in this day we are going to study a very interesting topic. In this initial presentation, we can see the different parts of this video conference. I want to confirm me with a message if you are listening to clear. Okay, let's start. On this board we have the main topic, word, street, and intonation, with three important topics: word streets, nouns and verbs, syllables streets, and intonation. We will only see the definitions. Later, on this computer, I have several examples of the subjects previously seen, and in this place I have exercise to do the different practice. I hope we enjoy this special class. There are three topics. Very well. The first topic we are going to study is called word stress. What is word stress? In English, when we have one or more syllables word, one of these syllables will receive more importance than the other when it is pronounced. My students, keep this in mind. In English, it's not common to pronounce all the syllables with the same strength. We make stress in only one syllable. Continue. We pronounce some syllables very loudly to hardly and other syllables quietly. These words are very important. Loudly and quietly. Okay, let's analyze this. Chapter. The first syllable, chap, will be pronounced louder than the last syllable, ter. In the word chapter, we make the stress on the first syllable. Chapter, chap, chapter. Usually do not receive any stress. Grammatical words such as auxiliary verbs, prepositions, pronouns, and articles must have at least one stress syllable. Lexical words like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. The second topic is nouns and verbs syllable stress. Dear students, it is quite important to note that in English, some nouns and verbs have the same form. However, the syllable stress is different in each word. When record is used as a noun, the stress is on the first syllable, record. But when we use the word record as a verb, the stress is on the second syllable, record. This is the diagram. What is intonation? We can define intonation as the speech melody consisting of different tones. Intonation plays a very important role in during communication because though a specific role we can tone express different attitudes. Falling intonation, down. Rising intonation, up. Down, up. Okay, pay attention. We use falling intonation when the speaker expects a confirmation. On the other hand, we use rising intonation when the speaker expresses a doubt. In this computer, we will see some examples. Let's go. Word stress. The first syllable is stress. Garden. The second syllable is stress. Thermometer. thermometer. The first syllable is stress. Mushroom, mushroom. Continue. Nouns and verbs syllable is stress. I want you to see the difference in pronunciation. Nouns and verbs. Increase, increase. Decrease, decrease. Import, import. Export, export. Discount, discount, discount. Conflict, conflict. Protest, protest. Repeat after me. Increase, decrease. Import, export. Discount, conflict, protest. Repeat after me. Increase, decrease. Import, export. Discount, conflict, protest. Okay, continue. Okay, exercise of intonation. Do you remember down and up? Down and up. Okay, where are you from? Don't, don't. Are you student? Up. Does your teacher speak English? Up. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer? Down. Okay, repeat after me. Where are you from? Which one do you prefer? Are you student? Does your teacher speak English? Okay. In this place, we have different practice. Let's start. Okay, what is the word is this? Holiday, alone, admiration, confidential, degree, weaker, nervous, parents. Please choose one word and read in the chat where is the word is this. Let's see the answers. Holiday, holiday. Alone, alone. Admiration, confidential, dearie, dearie. Weaker, weak. Nervous, nervous. Parents, parents. Okay, very well. Congratulations for your answer. Second practice. The following sentences, which word is a verb and which is a noun? It's very simple. They set an Olympic record. The rock band is recording its new song called World of Fire. Please write in the chat the answer to the questions. Let's see the answer. Record. This is a noun. Record, record. Recording, recording. This is a verb. Recording, recording. Congratulations. Practice 3. Please indicate with the arrow as appropriate. What time is it? Is that your mother? Does your teacher speak English? Why did you talk to her? This question, how's the arrow going? Up, or down? Please write in the chat. Okay, let's see the answer. What time is it? Don't. Very good. Is that your mother? Up. Very good. Does your teacher speak English? Up. What did you tell to her? Don't. Very good. Congratulations. Thank you very much, dear student, for participating in this video conference. I hope this class has been to your length, the reason for they continue studying and doing their jobs. Do not forget to be happy. Good day for everyone.